Hello and thank you for joining to another tutorial. Today we will talk about the new and exciting Lingerie Wild Pro. Before we begin, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Moshik Nadav and I'm the founder of Moshik Nadav Typography, a design studio based in New York City. We design unique type mostly for fashion magazines and luxury companies, but also specializing in custom typeface design and logo types for brands all around the globe. Now, let's go back to Lingerie Wild Pro. Lingerie Wild Pro is probably the most playful typeface ever designed for professionals. It comes with many features that will take your typography to the next level. We will have a few tutorials for the new Lingerie Wild Pro, and today we will learn how to use the alternate glyphs, ligatures, and the OpenType features. For this tutorial, I will use Adobe Illustrator, but you can do the same thing with Adobe InDesign or the latest version of Photoshop. Lingerie Wild Pro comes with four unique styles: Chimera, Chimera X, Visage, and Visage X. In this tutorial, I will use Chimera X, but you can do the same thing with the other styles. Okay, let's get started. Let's open the Glyphs menu from the top type menu. If you're not familiar with the Glyphs menu, it's okay, you're in good hands. I'll show you the basics. The Glyphs menu is showing us the entire glyph set the selected font comes with. In our case, you can see the thousands of glyphs that arrived built in Lingerie Wild Pro, Chimera X style. Feel free to play with it and explore the entire glyph set later on. I will also publish a quick tutorial on how the glyphs window works to help you navigate and understand the glyphs order better. Now, let's have some fun. If you already have Lingerie Wild Pro typeface installed on your computer, type any word you like. I will use hello for this tutorial. To change the basic alphabet in the word we type, all we need to do is select a letter and go back to the glyphs window. Once you have selected a letter, it will highlight the same letter in the glyphs window. As you can see, there is a small black arrow on the right bottom corner. Click on it and it will show you the alternate glyphs the letter H is including. You can easily select any of the alternate glyphs and it will replace the current H for you. Keep selecting and switching between the alternate H's. It's pretty fun. Now clicking on the black arrow won't show the entire alternate glyphs. There is a better way to see all the alternate glyphs. As you can see, on the top glyphs window, there is a drop-down menu. As a default, it's showing the entire font. To see the alternate for a specific letter, let's select a letter from the canvas, go back to the glyphs window, and then click on the drop-down menu to select alternate for current selection. Now you will see the entire alternate glyphs in one place. Feel free to play with it until you find your best match. Once you found your favorite alternate glyph, you can select another letter and do the same thing until you finish to customize your type. If you're not familiar with OpenType features, you're gonna love this one. I would like to show you how to use the OpenType features and get super cool ligatures in seconds. For that, we will need to use the OpenType window. To do that, go to Window on the top menu and then select Type and then choose OpenType. Click on the title on your canvas and inside the OpenType window, select the discretionary ligatures button, showing as ST icon. This feature will auto-generate the ligatures for you. Before we will finish this tutorial, I would like to show you one more cool thing Lingerie Wild Pro Typeface is having. Let's make sure the discretionary ligatures button is on and type type with an uppercase T. You see, this is an auto-generated word Lingerie Wild Pro comes with. To discover more of the ready-made words, scroll down the Glyphs window. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand how to use Lingerie Wild Pro. I'll come back with more tutorials later on. Please let me know if you have questions. You can leave your comments below or just email me. I'll do my best to reply to you. I hope that you liked the tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you still don't have Lingerie While Pro, or you want to explore more of my work, I will leave the link to my website below. Thank you and have a great typographic day.